वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यम् च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यम् च
सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अयिवुन्
ऐउन्
ऋलुक्
ऋलुक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐऔच्
ऐऔच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लन्
न्यामाङ्गणम्
न्यामाङ्गणनम्
जभै
जभै
घढधश्
घढधश्
जबगढधश्
जबगढधश्
खफ छठथ छटतौ
खफ छठथ चटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुक विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुह विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
उपुपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
पद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
Nyamangananam nasika cha.
Nyamagananan nasika cha.
Edaitoko kanthathalu.
Edaitoho kanthatalu.
Odautoko kantha oshtam.
Odauto kantha oshtam.
Vakarasya danta oshtam.
Vakarasya danta oshtam.
Jikhvamuli yasya jikhvamulyam.
Jihvamuli jihvamuli.
Nasika nusvarasya.
Nasikanusvarasya.
Ramo Rajamanis Sada Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje.
Ramo Rajamani sada vijayate. Ramam Ramesham bhaje.
Ramena Bhikata Nishachara Chamoh. Ramaya Tasmai Namaha.
Ramena bihata nishachara jamuhu. Ramaya tasmai namaha.
Ramanasti Parayanam Parataram. Ramasya Dasosmyaham.
Ramanasti parayanam parataram. Ramasya dasosmyaham.
Rame Chittalaya Sada Bhavatu Me. Ghora Mama Mudhara.
Rame chittalaya sada bhavatu me. Ghora mamamuddhara.
Ramo Rajamani. What Sandhi?
Uttvam. Ramaha followed by
Ramaha.
Rajamani.
Visarga
plus
preceded by akara and followed by hush letter.
Hush letter.
So room will be u.
Yes.
Replaced.
Ramo Rajamanihi. Rajamanihi plus Sada.
Visarga will be replaced by sakara
Sakara.
when followed.
Optionally.
Option.
That is why here we have Visarga. It is optional. Shar Pare. Shar is a subset of Kar. When Kar follows, Visarga is replaced by Sakara. Shar, which is a subset of Kar, follows. The replacement is optional. Therefore, it is there. But generally, you will see Visarga will be there in. So, therefore, you see that. But when we read Rajamani Sada Vijayate. And Jidatu also on the thing. Jidatu is Parasmai Paridatu. Jayati Jayataha Jayanti. But V Upasarga, then it will be Atmanepadi. So, Mundaka Upanishad Satyameva Jayate. It is Chandasam, it is Vedic usage. Veda then as authority. In Veda we cannot say this should be Parasmai Atmanepadi. Veda is a Pramana. So is authority. Vedaya Parasmai Paridatu can be Atmane Rupam, Atmane Paridatu can be Parasmai Rupam. That is not confined by any of the Vyavaharika, grammatical rules. But Jidatu, Parasmai Paridatu, then where the rule V or Para comes in Atmane Padi. Okay. Then Ramam Ramesham Bhaji, there also Sandhi is what Sandhi?
Anuswara.
Swara.
Padantam Akara reply Anuswara. When?
When followed by hal.
Jal.
Hallit. Consonant.
Followed by hal, it becomes Anuswara. If you say Jal, then what is the meaning of Jal then? They're not talking about just one. It is followed by a consonant. It's all simple rule. Ramena plus Abhigata. Savana Dirgha Sandhi. Raman Nasti. What Sandhi?
This Melanam, no, Guruji?
The Melanam. What Sandhi Magita?
Raman na asti.
Is it Rephanusar?
Correct. Let's repeat.
No.
No, it's not Raman. 1 second.
Um,
No.
The shloka we chant, why? One is a prayer. Other reason is?
Vibhaktis.
Then what Vibhakti?
So
What
Takara.
Vibhakti is?
Ah.
Is it Raman?
No, it
Is
should be
Ditya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam?
Ramat.
Panchami.
Then now can be Melanam, just Melanam.
Ramat plus Nasti.
Ramat plus Na plus Asti. Na plus Asti, Nasti. Savana Dirgha. Sandhi we have been seeing and we saw it so elaborately, a lot of examples. So you must know. I'm not trusting all Sandhi in one shot. Little by little. This all we have seen. Abhyasa we have done. The sequence of application of the rules. Ramat.
Is it
Yer letter followed by?
Anunasika Sandhi, Guruji?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Padanta Yer.
Yes.
Followed by Nakara, which is?
Anunasika letter.
Anunasika. When followed by Anunasika, then replacement is optional. Ramat Nasti or Raman Nasti. Here it is not Melanam.
Yes.
If it is Ramat Nasti, okay. But also not Melanam. Ramat Nasti is optional. Melanam is some joining. I mean, no result. You can call Melanam. Nothing wrong in that. So, therefore, here it is Anunasika Sandhi. Anyway, just to recall all the Sandhis, okay.
Yes.
And I'm going to add some more also. Let us continue. Please go through the Sandhi. Every class when we go through Sandhi, I explain from the very beginning, Savana Dirgha onwards. So it's a revision, we call. Sri Rama Sharanam Samasta Jagatam Ramam Vina Kagati.
Shri Rama Sharanam Samasta Jagatam Ramam Vina Kagati.
Ramena Pratihanyate Kalimalam Ramaya Karyam Namaha.
Ramena Pratihanyate Kalimalam Ramaya Karyam Namaha.
Rama Trasyati Kala Bhima Bhujagho Ramasya Sarvam Vashe.
Rama Trasyati Kala Bhima Bhujago Ramasya Sarvam Vashe.
Rame Bhakti Rakhandita Bhavatu Me Ramatvameva Shrayaha.
Rame Bhaktirakhandita Bhavatu Me
Ramamevashrayah.
Ramam Vina. Vina is therefore Rama in
Dvitiya.
what vibhakti is that?
Dvitiya Vibhakti.
What type of vibhakti is that?
Upapada.
It is Upapada vibhakti Ramam Vina. Ramat Trasyati. Ramat. It is Ramat Trasyati. Mitrarthanam Vayahetuhu Apadanam Bhavati. Apadanam. From Rama. Afraid of. So therefore it is Ramat Panchami. Vaya Mitrarthanam. Mitrarthanam Vayahetuhu. That which is a cause for fear. All that also will be Apadanam. That's why Panchami. Ramo me bhigitam karotu satatam Ramam bhaje sadharam.
रामो मे विहितं करोतु सततं रामं भजे सादरम्
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं रामाय दत्तं धनम्
रामेण अपहतं समस्तदुरितं रामाय दत्तं धनम्
रामान्मुक्तिरभीप्सिता सर्वसं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्मुक्तिरभीप्सिता सर्वसं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया ओ राम मां पालय
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया ओ राम मां पालय
Raman Mukti becomes Ramat. Again, same rule. Ramat plus Mukti Anuswara, Anunasika follows. Both Parasavarna. It's Parasavarna. I think that is the name I given.
Parasavarna.
Or Anunasika subject, Parasavarna. The names and all we give, okay. Samhitaikapade Nitya.
संहितैकपदे नित्या
Nitya Dhatu Pasargayoh.
नित्याधातुपसर्गयोः
Nitya Samaseva Ketu.
नित्या समासेवाकेतु
Sa Vivakshamapekshathe.
सा विवक्षामपेक्षते
Just from the Saṃskṛta Bharati book, Sandhi Prakarana. Introduction is given. It's a long introduction. It's good to read, but we don't have time. Already I've done for some classes. If you want to read, we can read, but it will take some time. Introduction to letters and introduction to the Sandhi itself. What Sandhi? You see the first chapter, Akshara Prakaranam. We know that's why I'm not doing this. We don't have time. If you want to do, we can do it. It's about the letters, Savarna, etc., Charnasthanam, Antara Prayatanam, Bhagya Prayatanam. All those things are discussed. Mageshwara Sutra. Then Sandhi Prakaranam, introduction here. And what is Tani, what is Adesha, types of Sandhi. Then first Sandhi. You want to read the introduction?
It's okay, Guruji, whatever you
You
say.
tell if you want to read, it will take time. Quickly you have to go, but not possible in one class. You want to read or you can skip. You tell me. Your choice.
Maybe we can take it as homework, Guruji, and come back with doubts.
Can you read on your own?
We'll try, Guruji.
So you try. If you have difficulty, let me know the introduction and what Sandhi is. Skipping that, okay? So this will be whatever Sandhis we have covered, that we will see. And Sandhis which we have not seen, that we will see. I'll explain with our chat. I've added more. Swara Sandayaha. Swara Sandayaha, what vibhakti? What vachana? What pradipadipa?
Prathama vibhakti bahuvachana.
Swara Sandhi, Ikarantaha. Ikarantaha, Sandhi. Sandayaha. Ikarantaha, what linga?
Pullinga.
Pullinga.
You can take pullinga. Ikarantaha, pullingaha, sandhi shabdaha. Like what shabda?
Hari
Hari
Shabda.
Hari Shabda.
Hari shabdavata. Arihi hari.
Haraya.
Arayaha.
Okay. Did I teach Prakriti Bhavaha? No, not yet. No.
No.
Okay. Prakriti Bhava also sandhi is there, right? Now I have added, not now. It is added in the next revision. Up to 5 we have done, right? Last document was 5, right?
Purvaru.
Purvarup and
No, no.
Pararup.
Last document, what is in last class?
4.
Mhm.
What is the name of the document? Summary of Sandhi rules?
Guruji, you have sent only up till 4. We have
Four,
not
okay.
seen 5.
Yes.
Yeah.
And 5, I don't think much is there. Directly 5. What is that? Let me check. Maybe some.
I think the ones we did last time, Guruji, we don't have it in 4. The Tukagama.
It is there in 4. We're not there in the 4?
No,
No, Guruji.
it is not there in the 4.
Oh, really? Okay. Maybe I think we would have seen 5.
Hmm.
Okay. That I 5 also. Okay. Yeah. And 5 that is. So 5 done. Then after that 6. See 5, 6 and all it is gradation. Slowly the different sandhis are introduced. Anyway, whatever sandhis we have seen, that we will read from here quickly so that you can see how how he has explained. You can compare and see. So yes, not exactly done the sutra, but he mentioned the sutra. But I have done as per the sutra, but I have not mentioned explained the sutra because we don't have the knowledge of what sutram is. But he has given in the footnotes the references, sutra references. But his explanation is not really based on sutra. Some, for the beginners, some what to call, some understanding. For example, in books you will see like like what we saw, Ramaha plus Rajamani. Visarga will be replaced by Ukara. You will see in books like that, right? Nanton and all. But that is not correct, right? Really. Ramaha plus Rajamani, Visarga itself will not come, first of all. How it will come? Visarga will come only when followed by Kar or at the end of the Padam. When you are going to join, then what was there before that you have to take it, not Visarga. Followed by Repa, then how Visarga will be there? So you one step back, it was Room. That is what we saw, right? That is as per the Paninian method. But in books and all, you will see Visarga will be replaced by Ukara, right? Similarly, here also, yes, that it's okay. I'm not saying it is wrong. It's for the beginners. But I explained why we should just how we have to see Visarga one step back and then see his room so that we know Ru is replaced by Ukara, right? So that you have the whole idea, a complete view of Sandhi operation. Let us see. So Swara Sandhayaha Kati Vidaha Santi Ashtavidaha Santi. Tatahi Yen Sandhi Yantavanta Desha Sandhi. What is Yantavanta Desha Sandhi? Ayadi Sandhi.
Ayadi.
Yantavanta means don't think something else. Yanta Yakaranta. Vanta Vakaranta. The I, Au, right? Those are the 4 Adesha. So Yanta Vanta Adesha Sandhi. The name he gives. See, namings and all we give. We give Sandhi Sanya. Sandhi Sanya is not given by Panaya Maharishi. We say Ayadi Sandhi, we call it as Ayadi, or Ayavaya Sandhi, or Yantavanta Adesha Sandhi, whatever it is. Same. Etayoho Doyoho. See the sentence whether it would follow. एतयोः द्वयोः सन्ध्योः पूर्वस्य एकस्य एव वर्णस्य स्थाने आदेशः भवति. You understand?
Yeah.
Yes.
What does it mean? Sandhi is between the two words, two padams. So, purvasya padasya, in the place of
The previous.
the letter of the purva pada, there will be adesha. Purvasya ekasya, one letter, last letter of the purva pada, right? Will be replaced by the adesha.
Adesha.
That's what Yen Sandhi is, right?
Yeah.
Ik plus H, ik letter is replaced by corresponding N letter. Similarly, Ayadi Sandhi. Ayadi Sandhi is, what is Ayadi
H
Sandhi?
is-
H letter followed by
H is
H.
followed by any.
So H will be
forward.
replaced by corresponding this Ayava. That is what it says here. Then Guna Sandhi, Vriddhi Sandhi, Savana Dirgha Sandhi, Purarupa Sandhi, Pararupa Sandhi. In Pararupa and as well as in Vriddhi, there are so many Sandhis are there. You're going to see. Panchasu is 5. Eteshu Sandhishu, Purvasya Parasya cha. It means both. Both will be replaced by Purvasya Parasya cha sthane Ekadesha Bhavati, like Guna Sandhi. Avarna plus ik letter, both will be replaced by Guna letter. Vriddhi Sandhi. Avarna plus H letter, both will be replaced by corresponding Vriddhi letter. Savana Dirgha Sandhi, Ak followed by Savarna, both will be replaced by Savarna.
Dirgha.
Purva Rupa Sandhi, similarly Pararupa Sandhi, etc. Prakriti Bhavaha, Atra Adesha Bhavaha. Adesha Bhavaha is a compound. Adeshasya Bhavaha, Adesha Bhavaha, Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. Now, Yen Sandhi, you can see that in the Manjusha, in the column, the table, the first, the E, U, they are the Stani, replaced by corresponding Adesha. When does it happen? When followed by Asavarna Swaraha, ik letter followed by Asavarna Ach. That's how I taught, remember. Yen Sandhi followed by Asavarna Ach. When ik is followed by, sorry, Yen Sandhi is, ik is followed by Asavarna Ach, it will be replaced by corresponding Yen letter. Now, yes, see the explanation. E, U, R, L, iti etebhyaha varnebhyaha asavarne sware pare E iti aniyogo sthane yakaraha U iti aniyogo sthane vakaraha R iti aniyogo sthane repaha not rakaraha repaha lakarasya sthane lakarasya adeshaha bhavati. Adeshaha bhavati also sandhi is to read a sentence itself we should have sandhi knowledge. Understand? So iti etebhyaha, what vibhakti? Iti etebhyaha varnebhyaha varnebhyaha. Etebhyaha, what is etebhyaha? What is the pratipadikam?
Etat Shabdaha.
Etat shabda, what vibhakti? Eshaka eto ete, then?
So 4-3.
Five.
4-3 or 5-3.
Can it be 4-3 here? Does it make sense here?
No.
No.
This is Panchami.
5-3.
And Asavarne sware pare, what vibhakti?
Saptami.
Saptami. So 5 and 7. Where is Shashti? That is Stani. Shashti is, Stani is,
In Shashti.
where is that?
Yeah.
No, it is given. It's to find out.
Yakara.
No. Anayogo Stane. What is Anayogo?
Yoho.
What is Anayogo?
Okay.
Anayogo, what is the Pratipadikam? Idam,
Ami. 1 second.
not Ami. Idam Shabda.
Idam Shabda.
Okay.
Shabdam also important.
Hmm.
We'll do one test. Anayogo is Shashti. Anayogo means in both of them. That is what is Shashti. So it's right. Both of them will be replaced. In Sutram also it is given like that. Sorry, not, yeah. So not both of them, Shamitam. Okay, sorry, really. Sorry, this is Yen Sandhi. Okay, I thought it is not both of them. Okay, even though here he has explained like this, it is fine. That follows, right? Savarne pare. Anayogo is referring to EE. Okay, EE will be replaced. EE referring to the Panchami here. I mean, EE is a for ik letter for among the ik letter EE. So here Anayogo referring to EE. Sorry, not that. Okay. Similarly, the Anayogo here referring to the ik letter UU. Similarly, the Anayogo referring to. I thought this is Savana Dirga. This is referring to two letters are there, therefore Anayogo. Anayogo Stane. See, the vritti, the explanation can be written any way we like. If I write, how would I write? Ikaha stane. Ik varnasya stane. So I make that as itself a shashti because it is the stani. Ik varnasya stane. Achi, asavarna achi pare. Yan adeshaka bhavati. Simple. Vritti. Ik varnasya shashti. Stane. In the place of ik letter. Followed by asavarna ach. Then ik letter is replaced because that is in Shashti. Both of them is in the case of Guna Sandhi, Vritti Sandhi, and Savana Dirgha Sandhi. Not in the case of Yen Sandhi, right? Yen Sandhi, ik letter is replaced by Yen, not the both. But here it is iti et. The explanation, the vibhakti here it is etebhyaha asavarne pare pare. Etebhyaha is Panchami. It is not Chaturthi, it cannot be Shashti. So when these letters are followed by, this is grammatically the sentence, what, when something follows something, right? That will be, the language can be Panchami. And what follows, that it will be in Saptami, Parasaptami. So like we say, like, Vanad, for example. Vanad, that is Paraha. Vanad, Paraha we need to add. In fact, that's why he has added Paraha also. Vanad, Paraha, Samudraha, suppose. Sentence. Means what? After the Vana, there is a ocean. Right? There's an ocean. Vanad, Paraha. Similarly here, Etebhyaha, Paraha. And Paraha is made Saptami because it is follows. So Asavarne Sware Pare. The construction is like that. Anyway, this the explanation you understand, right? Iti etebhyaha. So this is followed. This is this precedes something. Asavarne Pare is preceded by something that is in Panchami given. What follows, that will be Saptami. It's called Parasaptami. The Vyakaranam, we have this Saptami, a type of Saptami, Parasaptami. What follows will be in Saptami. And with regard to Saptami, what precedes, that will be in Panchami. Okay. You understand?
Yes.
What precedes in Panchami and what follows in Saptami. Suppose this is complicated, I gave a simple long back we have just explained that how the sutra should be explained, Ikaha stane. Ikaha is ik varnasya. Ik letters. Ikaha stane achi pare. What type of achi? Not savarna achi. Asavarna we have to specify. Asavarne achi pare. Or asavarna achi pare. Yan adeshaha bhavati. Yan where the yan will come. That in the place of the yan will come in the place of stani. Stani is mentioned in Shashti Vibhakti. Okay. Fine. So therefore this is Yan Sandhi. So each Sandhi has explained, each possibility has explained. You are now followed by Asavarna Swaraha. Asavarna Swaraha. If it is Savarna Swaraha, then what Sandhi?
Dirghai.
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Purva Parayoho Stani. That is Stani. Purva Parayoho, if it is there, that is Stani. Here it is not Purva Parayoho. Here referring to Ivarna. Ivarnasya Stani. Anayoho means Anayoho referring to Ikara and Ikara. You can simply say ika ivarnasya sthane. Similarly, uvarnasya sthane. Uvarna stands for both rasva and dirgha. Similarly, rivarnasya sthane. You can write like that. Okay. So prati plus ekam pratyekam. Nadi plus atra adyatra. Okay, this not required now. Manu plus antaram manvantaram. Vadu plus agamanam vadvagamanam. Pitra plus icha pitricha. So you have to spot the letter as ik letter. You have to spot what is this letter. Don't say ach. This is ik letter followed by asavarna ach. Right? Then it is en sandhi. So that practice at Abhyas already we have done. So we are not going to do it. I'm just saying. We have to spot the letter correctly. By referring to the pratyahara. Then only you will remember that rule. Understand? Similarly, in the case of Vyanjana Sandhi, many times I have asked, what is this letter? You should not say it's a hull. It's hull only, it's a consonant. But among the hull, what is that? It's a jal or it is whatever it is. That you have to spot. Jal or yer or whatever it is. No? When you spot that as that pratyahara, then the sandhi corresponding to that will come to your mind. Otherwise, difficult. You have to go through all the sandhis. Understand?
Yeah.
So gaslu plus adesha is replaced by corresponding n letter which is lakara. So here also another thing we saw. 4 stanis and 4 adesha. 4 means e, u, r, l. E stands for dirgha also. Similarly, ukara stands for dirgha, rikara, dirgha, rikara. Likara doesn't have long form. So therefore, E, U, 4 letters are there, the pratyahara and 4 adeshas. Therefore, corresponding replacement, right? Respectively. Or these are the adesha. You can select nadesha for ikara. How do you select?
By
Lakara is danta. Repa is murdanya. Lakara is
labial.
danta oshtam. And yakara is
Tal-
talu. What about ivarna?
Talavya.
Talu, Icheshan and Talu. Don't forget. So
Talu.
therefore, Yakara is the right choice. These are not the right choice for Ivarna. Similarly, Uvarna, what will be the right choice? Because this is Vakarasya, Danta Oshta. Oshta is only here. Not in other, not for other words, right? Other letters do not have that asyam, Uchanasthanam. They are ruled out. So that way also you can select the Adesha, right? When there is a cluster of Adesha, then Adesha either can be selected based on Uchchana Sthanam, or when the number of Sthanis and number of Adeshas are equal, respective replacement. Like 5 people have come, Pancha Pandava, you got 5 chairs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you have named it. So Yudhishthira will sit in the first chair, next chair Bhima will sit. You understand? Respective Adesha. So that is in the case of the Sthanis and Adeshas, the numbers are same. The numbers of the Sthani and Adesha, if they are same, then respective replacement. Otherwise, if the Sthani and Adesha doesn't match in terms of number, then we have to choose which one is the best one based on Ucharana Sthanam. That is why we need the knowledge of Ucharana Sthanam, Prayatana, Antara Prayatana, Bhagya Prayatana, etc. That is introduction, in fact, given in this book. Go through this. You will see. Okay. So this is N Sandhi. All these examples you can do it, nothing wrong. Okay, please go through this. Then Yanta Vanta. Yanta Vanta is a compound. Yantaha. Why Yanto? Yantaha, see, Rama Lakshmana, right? Compound Rama Lakshmana. Ramascha Lakshmanascha. Ramaha cha. 2 people are there. Rama is there and Lakshmana is there. Ramaha cha, Lakshmanaha cha, Rama Lakshmanau we say, right? Like Bayam cha, Abayam cha, Baya Baye. Labha cha, Alabha cha, Labha Labhu. Labha Labhu, Jaya Jaye. It comes in Gita, right? Dvandva, in Dvandva. One who has Samatvam. So, similarly here also, Yantaha cha, Vantaha cha, Yantavantau. It should be like that, right? What's Samasa? It is Iteretara Dvandva Samasa. Samasa we have not seen, but just hear the name, it's okay. Yantaha. See, I used the Shashti Tat Purusha, the word Samasa, the name. And now I am saying Iteretara Dvandva. We will see all those things later, but the names at least let it, let it get this, let you hear this, and then we'll come to know some basic. Now the samskara is created. Now later we will see what it is. Samasa is a compound. There are different types of samasa. This is one type of samasa. Iteretara Dvandva samasa. When two things are there, it is collectively. I mean, not collectively. It is referred to. Ramascha Lakshmanascha Rama Lakshmanahu. So it means it can be Rama Lakshmanaha, meaningless. Both are independent. Both are pradhana. Ramaha, Lakshmanaha, both are pradhana. The compound, right? What is pradhana? Based on that, the types of compounds are there. So, Itre Dvandva Samasa, that is this example, Ramaha cha Lakshmana cha, Rama Lakshmanau. Rama Lakshmanau, for example. Will you say Gachati or Gachataha or Gachanti? A Kriya Padam. Is there the sentence? They go, they walk. So, Gachati or Gachanti or Gachataha?
Gachataha, no?
Because two are there. It means what? Ramaha cha Lakshmanaha cha, Ramaha Lakshmanaha cha, Gachataha. So, Gachataha Kriya Padam referring to both. Therefore, both are important. Understand? You follow?
Yes.
So,
There are
Guruji,
some type of, there is another type of compound where both are referred to as one. Like Panipadam. Sarvataf Panipadam tat in Gita. Panihi cha, Panau cha. Sorry, pani cha, Padau cha. Tayoho samaharaha, combination of both. Pani padam, it is one made. No, it is made as one collectively. It is referred to collectively as one. Therefore, pani padam, it will be always it will be Napumsakalinga. Anyway, that's one thing. So there, pani padam means the corresponding. Suppose if it is the agent in the sentence, the corresponding kriya padam will be in Prathama Purusha Ekavachana. Understand? But here, in this type of compound, both are pradhana. That is why Gachataha, Rama Lakshmanav, Gachataha. Understand?
yes.
Fine. But similarly here also, now Yanta, Vanta, two things are there. Then Yantaha, Cha, Vantaha, Cha, Yanta, Vantau. It is Dvandva Samasa.
So, Guruji, can we say Rama Lakshmana
Yes,
and
why not?
and Ramau Lakshmana both are correct? No.
Rama Lakshmana means two Rama and two Lakshmana. Then you become Rama Lakshmanaha.
Okay.
4 people you are talking about. Ramaucha, Lakshmanaucha, then the resultant would be Rama Lakshmanaha. See, simple. Chatraha cha, Chatraha cha, Chatrau. Ramaha cha, Ramaha cha, Ramu, 2 Ramas. That's what Ramaha, Ramu, right?
Yes.
Instead of that, instead of the second person being the same, Rama, be replaced that by Lakshmana or whatever it is. Ramaha cha, Ramu. Ramaha cha, Lakshmana cha, Rama Lakshmana. Understand? If it is Ramu Ramo itself, it says Ramaha cha Ramo. And Lakshmana also you are adding to that. Lakshmanaha cha Lakshmana. So, 4 people are there. Ramaha cha, Lakshmanaha cha, Therefore, Rama Lakshmanaha. Bahuvachana. Understand? Logically, no? Okay. Now, same thing here. Here, Yanto means referring to, coming back here. I mean, I don't want to talk too much on Samasa. Then you will ask what Samasa is. Anyway, I'm just explaining what is there here. So, Yanto referring to these two. Because 2 Adeshas ending with Yanto. That's what you need to observe here. Yanto. Why Yanto? Generally, in Itarita Dunda Samasa, Yanta Vanta, as I give the example, Rama Lakshmana. So Yantaha cha Lakshmana cha, say Yantaha cha Vantaha cha alone will come. But here Yanto, because there are 2 Adeshas ending with Yakara for Yanto, brilliantly has given like that. Similarly, Vanto referring to Akaranta, 2 are there. So Yanto cha Yanta Vantaha. Understand? That's what you said now. Rama ucha, Lakshmana ucha, Rama Lakshmanaha. Similarly, Yantaucha, Vantaucha, Yanta Vantaha, Adeshaha, Yanta Vanta Adeshaha. That is a Sandhi. Okay, if it is difficult, leave it, no problem. In the context of Samasa, we will discuss.
The Yanta Vanta Adesha Yakara is Lopa, na Guruji? Between
Yakara Lopa depends on what follows. Not always, right?
Yeah, but here optionally Yakara is used.
Yanta Vanta, when Yakara will become Lopa optionally?
When followed by Ach letter.
When followed by Ach, it becomes Lopaha optionally. When followed by Hal, it's a must.
It is mandatory.
Ali Sarvesha. When followed by a Hal.
Hal.
Hal means consonant. But anyway, you will not have the entire Hal. You will have Hash, soft consonant only. That's how the arrangement in the Sutra. You will not have other consonants. If other consonants are done that before Yakara itself, that would have become something. Anyway, not in this. I mean, like in the case of Yakara coming as Adesha, when Visarga Ru is preceded by Akara, followed by Ash there. Anyway, see, Sandhi you have to understand totally. See, this is very difficult. You can understand the total only when you understand the individual. But individual understanding also, it's not possible without understanding the total. It's like a catch-22 situation. So that's why the steps are important. What Sandhi we learn, and now it is slowly, the enlarged, it become bigger and bigger. Then you will get the overall view of the Sandhi. Then you can connect all the Sandhi, how each one is connected to the other in terms of exception or in terms of extension, all those things. So if I say something, I say thinking that you understand. Because Sandhi, we have spent a lot of time already. The basic Sandhis we have done. I have showed what is exception to what, etc. When I explained that Rutu Adesha, Yakara Adesha, that all the possibilities, different combinations I have taught. What will happen when Ru is preceded by Avarna? What will happen when Ru is preceded by Akara or other letters and followed by the H, followed by Hash, followed by the hard consonants, all the combinations we have seen. That's overall view in context of Visarga Sandhi. Understand? We have seen.
Yes.
That's why we have the Sandhi chart. We have the list of rules and the list of the sequence in which we apply the rules. The sequence of application. And we have done Abhyasa with that. Okay, anyway. So that aside, now, Yanta, just try to understand this, the Saṃskṛta Vakya here. A, I, O means what? Referring to H Pratyahara. See the H Pratyahara. That's what we say. H followed by H. Iti etebhyaha varnebhyaha panchami. Sware pare, when Swara follows, then what will happen? Stani is given. Ekarasya sthane.
Ekaras.
Ekara is a sthani.
Mm.
Not both. Ekarasya sthane ay adeshaha. Ikarasya sthane ay. Adesha we need to understand, supply. It's given at the end, but it is understood for each. Okarasya sthane avadeshaha. Aukarasya sthane avadeshaha. Aucha adeshaha bhavati. Right? We follow the sentence.
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
You have to construct this in your own words. Just say that no, the meaning. It need not be like this. You can say Echaha sthane. What follows?
Ach. Ach.
Achi. Achvarne pare. Sware pare. Right?
Mm.
Then Echaha sthane. Ayavayavaha.
Mm.
Adeshaha. Bhavanti. Understand?
Mm.
And you can write individually. Ekarasya sthane. Ayadeshaha. Ikarasya sthane. Ayadeshaha. The adeshaha bhavanti. Okay. Then array plus I, the examples and all we have seen.
Mm.
Yakarasya lopaha and also yakarasya lopaha bhavati achi pare vikalpena. Right? Optionally. Vikalpena. Vikalpena, it is not said vikalpena, but here, but through mentioning the name of the Acharya, Shakalya Rishi, Shakalya Muni, Shakalya Dvayakarna. It is said that Yakarasya Lopaha Bhavati. We have seen that, right?
Yes.
Okay, that is there in the Vyanjana Sandhi. We'll see later. Yakarasya Lopaha, according to Shakalya. Shakalya is a Purva Acharya, Prachina Vyakarna, according to him. Before Panaya Maharshi, Shakalya was there. Or Shakalya may be contemporary, possible.
Mm.
So according to him, means the view of Shakalya is mentioned. So whenever you see the view of someone, Prachina Acharya,
Mm.
and Panini Maharshi mentions, it means their view, he says.
Mm.
Whenever the views of other Acharyas are said, then we need to understand that is optional. So therefore here also, Yakarasya Lopaha is optional. Vikalpena Bhavati. Okay. Nai plus Akaha. Nai plus Akaha. What will happen? Nai plus Akaha.
I
I will.
You know what is Nai? What is Nai? What is Nai? What is, what is Vriddhi? Just to do the reverse.
Mm.
See. Nai plus Akaha. You should be able to say, Magita, what is Nai? Akaha is also Akaha, not Akaha, Aka. Then we can make Aka is a pratyaya. If this is a pratyaya, okay, I tell you, this is a Krit pratyaya.
Mm.
Then what should be this?
Dhatu.
Akanksha, what is that?
Dhatu. Dhatu.
Exactly. When this is a pratyaya, this must be a dhatu.
Mm.
Is there any dhatu? Nai? No.
No.
There is no Nai dhatu. What dhatu is that?
Ni dhatu.
Ni dhatu.
Exactly. The dhatu is Ni.
Mm.
Ni plus Aka. When
Mm.
can Aka
Ni
do Guna Angakarya? Yes or no? What type of pratyaya is this?
This is a Ardha dhatu.
Plus Ardha
Ardha
dhatu.
Dhatuka, not Sarva Dhatuka.
Mm.
Ardha Dhatuka. When Ardha Dhatuka pratyaya follows the dhatu, which is the anga, what will happen to the anga ending with equal letter?
Num.
Hmm.
Num
Say,
agama.
not num.
No.
Why num here?
Ikanta. No.
Huh?
Vriddhi.
What will happen? Guna will happen. Why num happens? Akanksha.
No, Guruji, sorry, I got confused between Ikanta dhatu will get num agama.
Iganta num. That is Sarvanamastane pratyaya. That is also Iganta. Why Iganta? I don't know what is connection.
Sorry.
Anyway, that is different. Not Iganta. Iganta Dhatu will take Numagama. Did I say anything like that?
No, means we had done one example with Kapi. Kapi getting.
That is
Noma.
Idit Dhatu, not
Idit
Iganta.
dhatu.
Ikara is it letter. This is not it letter. Here, E is not it. If his
Correct,
E is
correct.
also it letter, then Dhatu will be Nakara. How
Yes,
can Dhatu only be a consonant?
yes, yes.
Cannot stand. Therefore, this is not, even if it is so, this is Idit will become, not Idit.
Mm.
So, both ways it is not. Okay. So now the question is, another Dhatuka Pratyaya follows, Ni will take Guna. But here not Guna, Vriddhi is there. Therefore, that is not. It's, in fact, it is originally the Pratyaya is, it is null Pratyaya. Now you can say, because it is Nit Pratyaya. Adha Dhatuka, see, Nit Pratyaya follows, Igantasya Vriddhihi Bhavati. If it is not Igantya, in fact, if it accelerator, vowel ending will take Vriddhi. Therefore, Ni will become Nai.
Nai.
And Nakara, Lakara both are it. So who alone will be there? And who will be replaced by Aka? There is one rule. Who will be replaced? So after the Angakarya, then only Sandhikarya should be done, not before. Okay. Angakarya is stronger. So you should do Angakarya and then only Sandhikarya. Now, Sandhi, if you do, what Sandhi? I plus Aka. Our Yanta, Vanta, Desha, Sandhi comes in. So I will become
I.
Nai plus Aka, Nayaka. What is Nayaka?
Leader.
Leader. Ni means Nayati, the one who leads the people. Nayaka. Strilinge Nayika. Right? Understand? Similarly, for example, Asa Dhatu, Pu Dhatu, Null Pratyaya. Null Pratyaya, the Pratyaya as the sense of, it will bring in the sense of the doer of that Kriya. Ni means to lead. So Null Pratyaya, like a Trich Pratyaya. Trich Pratyaya, what we do? We have seen Trich also. Ni plus Trich, suppose. Trich is again, Adha Dhatuka Pratyaya. Divyaji, please don't blabber, This is not Sarvadhatuka. It is Sarvadhatuka. Whatever I taught, it is meaningless. Trich is Adha Dhatuka Pratyaya.
Yes.
First, the distinction between Sarvadhatuka and Ardhatuka, we must be
No,
very
I
clear.
said Ardhatatuka only.
Sarvadhatuka is it. Then, when Trich Pratyaya follows, Trich is an Adha Dhatuka Pratyaya. Anga ending with ik letter. Can it cause Vriddhi or Guna? Which one will it cause?
Vriddhi. No, Guruji.
Vriddhi. No. Why Vriddhi?
It's
Nakara is Nit. Not there.
Okay.
It's a simple Adha Dhatuka Pratyaya. Therefore, Igantasya Guna only will happen. So,
but Guruji,
you
one
become-
other thing we need to know is whether Trich is Kit, Nit or
not
means
when
we
Kakara is it letter is not there, then Akit only, what else? Angakara is not negated. When it letter is there, then only negation is done. Negation is possible. It letter not there. It's not a Kit. Therefore, why should we deny Angakarya?
Yeah, correct.
In
Okay.
the case of Karmani Priya, okay. Karmani I have not taught you, I think. Okay. Yes, or Karmani or whatever it is. When it letter is there, the Pratyaya, then only Angakarya is negated. Yeah, here also there is it's not a Kit. When the Pratyaya is Kit Pratyaya or a Git Pratyaya or a Git Pratyaya, then only Angakarya is negated.
Yeah.
Here it is not a Kit or Git or Git.
Right, got it, Guruji.
So therefore Angakarya will happen. The thing is, what Angakarya? If it is a Nit, then Vriddhi. For the Anga ending with Ach, that is Dhatu, will take Vriddhi.
Okay.
And here it is not a Nit. Therefore, general rule is Guna. So Ni will become Ne. E is replaced by A. A plus Trich. Chakara is it letter. Therefore, what do you have?
Netra.
Netra is now Rikaranta Shabda, Kartra Shabdavat. So you can decline Neta, Netaro, Netaraha. That's why you get Neta, Karta, Data, Kadita, Bhokta, all those things, right?
Yes.
What I'm saying is Neta is equal to Naika. Both are same. Pratyas are different, right?
Yes.
Here is a null pratyaya, it's a trich pratyaya, referring to the doer of that kriya. Understand?
Yes.
Referring to the doer of that kriya. You take any kriya. But another thing is here you need to know when Adu Dhatuka pratyaya follows, Ittagama will come. That depends on the dhatu. I have not given that example. I don't want to confuse you with that now. We don't know. We are not up to that level here. Here it is simple if I give this example. Now, another example. Pu means to purify. Now, pu plus null. Yes, Birdi will happen, pau, because nit. Pau plus aka. Then,
Pau.
Ow.
what is the final one?
Pavak.
Pavaka. Pavaka means purifier. Pu means to purify. Shuddhi karane. Pavaka is a purifier. Understand?
Yes.
Another word is pavitram. That is also referring to nahi jnanena sadrishyam pavitramika vidyate. That same dhatu, but some other pratyaya, itra pratyaya. Anyway, so you can see the application of the sandhi after the angakarya, the derivation of the kadantas, etc. So he has not explained all those things. He just wanted you to practice the sandhi alone. That is when nahi plus akaha. You will not say what is nahi, what is akaha. You need to apply the sandhi and get the form naikaha. Understand?
Yes.
Tasya plus idam, it's the same. Similarly, Vishnu plus ye. I'm not doing all. Pavaka is here. Other Udarani, you please do it. Already we have done. So that's not my intention to do it here now. Next one. Similarly, O or O followed by. Okay, this is different. This I have not taught. This we can do. This is a new sandhi. I think it must be there in Ayadi sandhi itself. There is one division. You please read number 6. This is document number 6. Summary of sandhi rules. Here you will see this document. More sandhis being added. Now, Ayadi sandhi we know, right?
Yes.
Then within Ayadi sandhi, we have got something called Avadi sandhi. See, Avad, there is not nothing Avadi, and Avadi is just, I name it. Okay, this is our name. Av referring to, sorry, that Av Adi. Av referring to Av Adi. Adi referring to Av as well as Av. Okay, that's Avadi. Only two are there. What is Adi? It's not a long list like Ayadi. In Ayadi, at least when we say 4 are there, but here only 2. Therefore, we can say like this way. So, Ava, Av plus Av, Avav, Avavadi, and Avavasandhi, you have to say otherwise. Av and Av, Avavasandhi otherwise. Anyway, let it be Avadi Sandhi, it's okay, doesn't matter. Just name we give. So, this referring to the Av and Av, right? Now, see, read this. O and Av will be replaced by Av and Av. Already we have seen that, right? O and Av will be replaced by
Av and Av.
O and Av is a part of, they are the part of H Pratyahara when followed by
Ach.
When followed by H, O will be replaced by Av and Av, Av will be replaced, O will be replaced by Av and Av will be replaced by Av, right?
Ow.
But here followed by H, but in this rule followed by Yakaradi Pratyaya, followed by a Pratyaya beginning with
Yakara.
Yakara. The Pratyaya may have many letters, but the beginning should be Yakara. Adi means not etc. Yakara Adihi. Pratama Varnaha. Pratyaya Pratyayasya Pratama Varnaha yakaraha. Yakaradi pratyaye pare. When the pratyaya beginning with yakara follows the word ending with o or au, o will be replaced by au and au will be replaced by au respectively. Right? Example you see. Go. Go is okaranta shabda, go shabda. Followed by yam. Yam is a tadita pratyaya. Okay. We have not seen what tadita is. We don't know. It's okay. Doesn't matter. Just know this is a pratyaya. Generally, what sandhi will happen here? Tell me. Suppose if this is not the go plus yam,
Nothing going.
nothing will happen. Nothing will happen because this is a vowel and this is a consonant. First letter yakara. Vowel consonant, what sandhi is there? No sandhi. When vowel and vowel come, right? When vowel comes, the sandhi is possible. When vowel consonant come, what sandhi? We just join, right? But here this is, something which is very specific and for a pratyaya beginning with yakara. When yakaradi pratyaya, not other pratyayas. When yakaradi pratyaya follows okaranta or aukaranta shabda words, then o will be replaced by au and au will be replaced by av. Therefore, go plus yam, gavyam, and no plus yam, navyam. Understand? This is called vanto yi pratyaya. The sutra itself, vantaha referring to au and av. Among the four adesha, au and av. Au and av will come in the place of o and au respectively. That is what is referring to. By vantaha indirectly referring to the sthani which is o and au. When e pratyaya means yakaradi pratyaya pare, then vantaha is the adesha. Vantaha vakarantaha. That is au and a will be the adesha. Au and a will be adesha where? It will be only in the place of o and au. When does it happen? When yakaradi pratyaya pare, when yakaradi pratyaya follows. Understand?
Yes.
So this is a subset, you can call, of the ayadi sandhi. Understand? Now you see, that is what he has given here. O and au, they are the sthanis. When followed by yadi pratyaya, what is yadi? Yadi.
Yeah.
Yakaraha adihi yasya pratyasya saha pratyaya yadi pratyaya. So again, it's a compound, Bahuvrihi samasa. Pratyaya in which adi varna is Yakara. You understand? Is it clear?
Yes.
Or is it too much?
No.
Just know,
No, it is
yadi
clear.
pratyaya, it's okay. Yakara is the beginning of the pratyaya, follows, and o will be replaced by au, and au will be replaced by au, respectively. Now, read the sentence here. Yakaradi pratyaye pare. Does it make sense? Yakaradi pratyaye pare means yakaradi pratyaya follows.
Always.
Be familiar with the format. When something follows, we have to write like this. Yakaradi pratyaye. What vibhakti?
Saptami.
Saptami. So yakaradi pratyaye pare follows. Follows what? O au iti etayoho sthane. In the place of okara and okara. So follows means what precedes must be the sthani. Right? When something is given in saptami, right? When something is given in saptami, what precedes the saptami will be the sthani, and sthani will be in shashti vibhakti. That is why he says, O aviti etayoho, that is shashti, etayoho sthane, kramat, in the order respectively, au and au, these two, etau adesho bhavataha. Understand? You follow?
Yes. Yes.
So, okarasya sthane avadesha bhavati yakaradi pratyaya pare aukarasya sthane avadesha bhavati Ekaradi pratyaya pare. Simple. Right? This is avadi sandhi. Now you see the same example is given. O go plus yam, gavyam. Now plus yam, navyam. So here only when if it is a pratyaya this will apply. Otherwise no. Otherwise just a melanam. So yam is a pratyaya. Tadita pratyaya. Go is a shabda. From a shabda we derive another shabda. Right? That is possible by the Tadita Pratyaya. Tadita Pratyaya converts a Pratipadikam into another Pratipadikam. Understand? So go gavyam, navyam iti rupam. It is not yam, it is just ya only. When you decline, it becomes in Napumsakalinga gavyam, gavye, gavyani. Similarly, navyam, navye, navyani. Understand? In Tadita, we have pratyas like that. Like we have the pratyaya. We have Shain pratyaya. Content is yeah. Okay. Content is yeah. And we have pratyaya tadita. Yet pratyaya is content is yeah. So that is what is yakaradi pratyaya referred to here as yakaradi pratyaya. And makara yam is when you decline it becomes like palam pale palani, gavyam gavye gavyani. Okay. All those things you will not explain here, just for your understanding only. I just said like this. Okay. Then idam avadeyam, this should be known. What is that? Swarasandishu yansando yantavan vantadesh च एकस्य पूर्वस्थितस्य वर्णस्य स्थाने आदेशः भवति. What is the meaning?
In Yan Sandhi and Ayadi Sandhi, only the Purva Sthani will be replaced.
Among the Swara Sandhi, these two Sandhis involve the replacement of the Purva Varna by the respective Adesha, right?
Yeah.
Idam Sandhi Dvayam Vihaya Anyatra Swara Sandhishu Purva Parayoga Sthane Ekadesha Bhavati. Means accepting these two Sandhis. Vihaya means leaving, accepting. Anyatra, everywhere in the Swarasandhi. What is here? Sthani, Purva Parayoga. Both. The last letter of the preceding and the first letter of the following will be the Sthani, in the place of which there will be an Adesha. Understand?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, Guruji.
Now, Visheshaha. Padante Vidyamananam A, I, O, O. Now, these are at the end of the Padam. Iti etesham varnanam kramat in order I, A, viti ete adeshaha bhavanti. Yada bhavanti, when the adesha comes, then what happens? Tada yakarasya, vakarasya cha, vikalpena lopaha bhavati. We know. Yes or no?
Yes.
Not all yakara vakara. When it is at the end of the padam, important, right? Lope krite means when lopa is done. Lope krite sati, sati saptami, this is. Lope krite sati, sati saptami translated as when lopa is done, then again, punaha, again, sandhihi na karaniyaha. Like are plus agacha. Are is, what is are? Sambodhana. E hare, e hari, e harayaha, right? Are is a padam, sambodhana pratama. E are, agacha, come. Agacha is lot lakara, padima purusha. So these two are padam. Are is a padam. So ending with a. Therefore we can apply what sandhi? Ayadi sandhi. So a will become I. Therefore arai. Araya gacha. Either you can do the melanam, araya gacha, or yakarasya lopaha bhavati by the lopaha bhavati vikalpena optionally. After the lopa of yakara, punaha sandhihi na karaniyaha. Right? We cannot do sandhi again. We cannot do a plus a is ara gacha. We cannot do. We know it, right?
Yes.
Yes. That is by the rule it's given. Lopaha shakalya. That is what I said. Which according to Shakalya Muni, Shakalya, Prachina Vyakarana, this, Yakarasya, Lopaha, optionally, Lopaha Bhavati, he says. According to him. According to him, Lopaha Bhavati. So therefore it is optional. Okay, whenever or wherever the name of Prachina Vyakarana is mentioned, then that rule is optionally applied. Then we can infer, then according to Panini Maharishi, it is Lopaha Bhavati according to Shakalya. According to Panini Maharishi, Lopaha will not come. Or Panini Maharishi accepts the Lopa happens, Lopa that happens according to Shakalya, that Vidhi, that Niyama, that rule, Panini Maharishi accepts. That is why he mentions the names of the Vyakarana in the Sutrapata. Many places you will see. We will see some more examples. Spota, Yanasya, Apishali, like that. This is the rule of Shakalya. Shakalya, don't think it is something, the Sangya and all. It is the name of the Vyakarana, Prachina Vyakarana. According to him, Yakarasya Lopaha Bhavati. So, mentioning that, Panini Maharishi accepts that. And also, indirectly, it conveyed it is optional. Optional only when a verbal follows, not when a consonant follows. Because when consonant follows, it is Lopaha, Panini Maharishi says. Okay. So, Tasya plus Idam. Tasya Idam. The challenge is, when Tasya Idam is there, you should be able to split and understand. Tasya Idam. That is the challenge. In Gita and many places you will see. Tasya. What is Tasya? Is there any word Tasya in the language? Tasya Idam. Is there or not?
No.
Tasya. Huh? Tasyaha is there.
Yes.
See, that is another thing. Okay, let me do it here. Please see. Tasyaha, please join. Tasyaha plus, what's Sandhi? What's Sandhi, Magita?
Yakara and Lopa.
Yes. Tasyaya idam.
But, okay, yeah, it's fine. But how we have learned in the place of Visarga, what was there?
Room. So
Room.
room preceded by akara,
Exactly.
followed by ash letter. Then room will be replaced by yakara.
Exactly. So therefore, Tasyai plus
Idam.
Vidam, right? Then Yakara, now at the end of Tasyaha is a padam, Tasyaru is a padam, Tasya is a padam. Yakara at the end of the padam. Padanta Yakara now, when followed by
Ash letters optionally dropped.
Ach. Among the Ash, this is Ach. Okay. Therefore, it is optionally Lopaga Shakalyasya, therefore Tasya Idam. After that, do we do Sandhi?
No.
We cannot make it. So Tasya. Now you see. Tasya, now when I ask you to, suppose they ask you to split. Now you split. Tasya Idam is a Sandhi. How do you split now? Either it could be Tasyaha Idam, right? As we did now, join. Or Tasyai plus Idam, you join this. Tasyai, what Sandhi? I plus
Ayadi.
Ayadi Sandhi. Tasyai is, what is Tasyai? Tasyai is
Chaturthi. Ekvachanam.
Ekvachanam.
Pullinga. Of Tat Shakti.
Tasyai is Pullinga. You have to think. Rama Yai.
Oh, sorry. Strilinga.
How can be Pullinga? What Pullinga would be what?
Tasmai.
Tasmai Gurave Namaha. Tasyai this is. So Tasyai, Tasyai, right? Plus Idam. Padanta Yakara, Lopaha Shakalyasya becomes Tasya Idam. Now, which one you will take? Context. That depends on the Tasya Idam being common. It can be split into Tasyaha Idam or Tasya Idam. Understand?
Mm.
We cannot immediately tasya idam, depending on the context. Here it's okay. We do it. We take that word alone, those words alone, and join. That's fine. But the splitting is depending on the context. Understand?
Yes.
Similarly, it is no. Tasma etat provacha. What is that? Where does it come? Nagita, you know.
I think Taittiriya, Guruji.
Taittiriya. What is tasma etat provacha? Okay, Taittiriya must be having his pratishaka, but anyway, just we apply our the Panini rules and then see tasma etat provacha prakarshena uvacha. This is a statement, Taittiriya Upanishad. How? What is tasma? As we split it, as we split tasya idam into tasya idam and tasyaha idam. Now tasma will be
Tasmai.
tasmai plus etat will become tasmai is chaturthi pullinga. Tasmai etat and akarasya
Lopaha.
lopa. Do we have choice here?
No.
Like in Sri Lanka, yep, no visarga possible, right? In Sri Lanka, we have tasyaha, panchami and shashti. In Pullinga, we don't have tasmat only. Tasmat and tasya. So in Pullinga, we don't have any choice. So if it is tasma etat, it should be tasmai etat only, right? The meaning is very clear. Tasmai, to him, etat provacha. Etat is what vibhakti?
Prathama Ekavachana.
No. How can it be?
Vidya.
Then we have to supply someone, Acharya Guru. Guruhu provacha, he told this to him. Understand? Etatu provacha means this told. This told
Object.
this told him. That will not make sense. You have to supply saha. The context maybe someone may be there, Guru, whatever it is. Dharmaji, whatever. Saha to him told this. Uvacha is equal to Katitavan, Proktavan, right? Litlakara, pra plus Uvacha. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Sandhi itself will take classes, so many classes. But we have seen Sandhi elaborately, a lot of examples, and we are seeing slowly. I hope
Yes.
the Sandhis, are understood by you. I mean, at least what are Sandhis we have seen.
Yes, Guruji.
Combinations of all. We should be able to make out what Sandhi is. Right?
Yeah.
Slowly, and that's why I'm adding this rules. Now, in this document, which I was about to teach from the beginning, but anyway, we don't have time now. So here, if you can see, next class we will do it. So now you see here, Vriddhi Sandhi we know. What do you understand by Vriddhi Sandhi? The basic rule we know.
Avarna followed
Avarna followed by
by
H.
that is only Vriddhi Sandhi we have seen. Have you seen any other Vriddhi Sandhi?
No.
No. But here you will have Vriddhi Sandhi too.
Atagama.
This also we saw, right?
So, yes.
Vriddhi. And number 3, this we have to see. Number 4.
Oh.
Number 5. Number 5 itself we have 2 categories. 3, sorry. 4. Okay, this is not that much important, but anyway, it is there that we will see. 6 are there, Vriddhi Sandhi 5. And Pararupa Sandhi, how many are we have seen?
2.
Pararupa Sandhi 1. Pararupa, Apavada to Pararupa Sandhi, the last class I was mentioning about Indatu, goes back to the Vriddhi Sandhi. And Pararupa Sandhi 2. And Pararupa Sandhi 3, 4, 5. So many are that. After that, Prakriti Bhavaha. Prakriti Bhavaha is Subhavena Avasthitihi. No Sandhi will happen. Then we have to see. In Swara Sandhi itself, we have so many. Okay. For that, the basic Sandhi rules should be thorough. Right? If you don't know the basic Sandhi rules, these Sandhi rules are out of question. Please go through the basics and the rules, understand thoroughly. First class we will.
Guruji, can you send the 5th document, please?
I'll send. I thought I sent. By mistake, I sent the 4th one. See, we don't have time. We need to. I thought of teaching you that some vibhakti, taraka, upapada vibhakti, and this reading of the book lessons. Anyway, so we stop here. So we need to divide the time. Okay, let us see. And translations also. Have we done the translations?
We started.
Yeah.
We also, I gave this a homework, I think, long back.
Yes.
So this we need to do. Translations required for developing the language, vocabulary, and how the sentence is constructed. Right. Okay, anyway, we'll see. How many things we can do in the class? 1.5 hours. Okay, we'll stop here. We'll continue in the next class. Any doubts? Please ask.
No, Guruji.
And don't forget Sarodhatukum, Ardhatukum, the first Gana conjugation we did, right?
Yes.
Remember?
Yes.
That also we need to see some other dhatus, irregular dhatus. We are touching upon different topics. Okay, so I hope it's not confusing.
No, but the Sandhi.
Otherwise, what will happen if we deal with only one topic? That topic alone will go for months. Then other topics we'll forget it. Yes. Yeah, tell me.
No, I'm just saying Sandhi will take time to assimilate little bit, Guruji.
Yes,
that's why I teach only 1 or 2 Sandhis a class, not many. Slowly, the Sandhis are added, right?
Yes.
Having taught some basics and the rules, having practiced that, then if you see the subsequent classes, I have not taught all the Sandhis, only one Sandhi, it's okay. Like Upasarga, ending with Avarna. That Sandhi alone I taught in the one class.
Yes.
Other Sandhis you will see. And today I taught you only one Sandhi.
Yes.
What Sandhi is that?
This O and Av and Av.
Avadi Sandhi.
Avadi.
That is a subset, you can say. Not subset. You cannot say it's a subset because H followed by H is Ayadi Sandhi. Here, among the H letter, that O and O followed by Yakaradi Pratyaya. So that is completely different. The Sandhi you will find application that only in the context of Tadita. But anyway, the Sandhi's rule is there, just to know it now. When the application comes and we do it. Okay, similarly now in the Sandhi we'll see in the next class. In the Shiksha Sutra, we chant Danta Oshtam, Akarasya Danta Oshtam, right? Danta Oshtam. What Sandhi is that? One Danta plus Oshta. Akarasya Danta Oshtam, then similarly Vodautoho Danta Oshtam. A plus what Sandhi? What Sandhi will apply? Avarna followed by H letter.
Guruji,
you have to spot the Okara as a H letter, not as a vowel. I spot that letter. Kanta and Danta, ending with Avarna, followed by Oshta. O is H letter. Avarna followed by H letter. Then refer to the rule. What rule will apply?
Vriddhi.
Vriddhi. But we have a rule In a compound, vriddhi is optional. That is guna is done. So kantoshtam also valid. Only for this oshta. Only for when the oshta follows. Only special. This is a special for oshta. Oshta, otuhu. Some words are given. Here you can see. Otoshta yoho samase va. Va is optional. So pararupam is optional. The following replacement is optional. Therefore, bimba plus oshta, danda plus oshta, pararupam is, what is the pararupam? O. O will be the replacement in the place of both. So dantoshtam. That is optional. If pararupam is not done, then you will do, you have to do vriddhi, dantoshtam. Therefore, this is only when oshta is the uttarapada, the following word. Oshta and otuhu. For that we have one vartika. Vartikam is also a sutram only. That is only in a compound. The compound samase, when otu and oshta follows, pararupa is optional. Pararupe, dantoshtam, vriddhi krite, dantaushtam, dantaushtam it will be. Okay, that is why this I have not done sandhi, I left as it is. If I do then vriddhi in the beginning itself, then this pararupa, so that is option that we cannot, that remains unapplied or not told. So that's why I left it. Now after we learn, then we need to understand. Odotoho kantoshtam or kantaushtam. Prakarasya dantoshtam or dantaushtam. Okay. Okay, fine. We'll stop here. It's in the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawada.
We need to increase the standard of the class. I mean, spoon feeding you, but not anymore. You have to, you need to understand. You have to come to my pace. Work.
Yes, Guru.
Okay. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad.